In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom dynamic QR code for Canva. Whether you're crafting a marketing campaign or simply want to share easy access to your digital content, creating a dynamic QR code is a great way to make your designs interactive and accessible. Let's dive right in and explore the process step by step. First, you'll start by opening your chosen design in Canva. Once your design has loaded, look towards the top right of your screen and find the Share button. Click on Share to open up a menu of different sharing options. This is your gateway to making your design accessible to others and is also where you'll find the tools for adding a QR code. After clicking Share, navigate to the See All option. This option expands your toolset, revealing various integration and feature options that Canva offers beyond the basic editing tools. Clicking See All allows you to access tools not immediately visible on the main editing toolbar. Now let's locate and click on the QR code option. This feature is dedicated to helping you create quick response codes that can link viewers directly to a specific URL. It's a handy tool for integrating your online resources into printed or digital materials, helping to eliminate the need for typing lengthy web addresses. Then, in the field that appears, you'll type in the URL link you want your QR code to direct to. Make sure you enter the complete and correct URL to avoid any redirects or errors later on. This link could be a website, a social media page, or any online content you wish to share. Once you've typed in the URL, look for the Generate QR Code button and give it a click. Canva will instantly create your QR code, ready to be integrated into your design. This quick generation process means there's no waiting time, allowing you to continue with your creative work almost immediately. Next, you'll want to download your newly generated QR code. Simply click Download. This action will save the QR code as an image file on your device, allowing you to use it in various creative projects or include it directly in your design. Following the download, click Uploads in Canva to start integrating the QR code into your project. This section of Canva lets you bring in outside images and files, making it easy to customize and personalize your design with unique elements. Finally, click on Upload Files and select the QR code you just downloaded. Uploading it into your Canva project allows you to resize, reposition, or otherwise adjust its placement to best fit your design needs. This flexibility ensures that the QR code enhances your design's aesthetics while maintaining its functionality. And there you have it. Your custom dynamic QR code is now ready to use within your Canva design, seamlessly bridging print and digital worlds with a single scan. With these simple steps, you can easily incorporate interactive elements into your projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.